In the previous video, we talked about the theories that are the heart of the Design Futures method. We will now take a closer look at the process you can follow to bring this method to life. There are 6 phases. First one, we learn. At the beginning of the process, students learn about the chosen topic and understand its importance. You can do this with a brief interactive lecture. A good topic should contain a broad challenge that cannot be easily defined or solved. For example, promoting clean energy in a city. Second one, we research. Students learn about doing research and gather information through different methods, such as interviews and desk research. This activity helps them to understand the problem and reflect on it in depth. In our example, they might find out that promoting clean energy has more to do with people's mindset than with infrastructure. Number 3. We imagine. It's time to come up with ideas and explore possible solutions. Coming up with ideas and choosing the one to work on allows students to define the best and most effective way to solve the problem. Number 4, we make. Ideas are quickly turned into prototypes, tangible artifacts that allow students to improve their solutions, to detail it out, and most importantly, to show it to others for feedback. Children build the prototypes with various recycled materials and simple electronic parts, like LED, motors, and so on. Number 5, we evaluate. Towards the end, it is important to slow down and focus the attention of the students on what they have learned and achieved so far. This phase is an important moment of reflection on the output and the process. Number 6, we present. At the end, students present their work in front of the class. But it's nice to invite external guests too, such as parents, other teachers, and students. This can make them feel part of the project and can inspire them to do something similar in the future. Now, there's something that I want to share with you. The process I just showed you uses 2 specific thinking modes: divergent and convergent thinking. Divergent thinking focuses on creating different interpretations or ideas for a specific challenge. When using it, our brain explores options and stays open to new inputs. Convergent thinking focuses on the selection of the best interpretations or ideas. As a thinking mode, it helps us to draw conclusions, make decisions, and take action. These 2 thinking modes are used in alternation and help students to move from problem to solution in a structured way. For example, as the students gather information on the project topic, they diverge. When they use these notions to define the specific problem they want to solve, they converge. Brainstorming ideas makes them diverge again, to then converge on the best idea or solution. This alternation is important because it allows students to make gradual decisions and to consider all the available options before deciding. Watch the next video to find out how to facilitate this process and how to use physical space to enhance the experience.